Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain? Anybody got a...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my mini happy planner. This is my on the go, and I will be planning for the week of March 7th through the 13th. So go ahead and take those off the disc. And this week I have pulled my Let Love Grow mini sticker book. These stickers are sized perfectly for this for this dashboard layout. So I am going to go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, that is it. And I think if I remember correctly, I said that these were the perfect size for the dashboard. These are the perfect size for the mini vertical planner. So I had a little trouble keeping things in balance. This, to me, it kind of just looks all over the place because I thought that these longer stickers were the same length as this box. Now, I could have cut it off here and use them that way, but I figured I would just go with it like it is. So let me go ahead and put these back on the disc. All right, so that is it. Okay. And regardless of the trouble I had trying to figure out where to put them, I really do like the sticker book, and I like how the spread turned out. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.